Welcome to the exciting world of cloud computing. Your ultimate destination is to learn DevOps, cloud and CI/CD solutions. Get ready to level up your skills and dive into the world of innovative technologies. This is Vivek. I'm an AWS certified solution architect professional. Today, we are going to discuss Amazon DynamoDB. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It is designed to provide high-performance, low-latency storage for applications that require fast and predictable performance at any scale. DynamoDB is a key-value store with a flexible schema, enabling developers to store and retrieve data using primary keys. Here are some key features and characteristics of DynamoDB. 1. Fully managed. AWS takes care of administrative tasks such as hardware provisioning, setup, configuration, and maintenance, allowing developers to focus on application development. 2. NoSQL database. DynamoDB is a NoSQL database, which means it does not require a fixed schema. It allows you to store and retrieve semi-structured and unstructured data, making it flexible for various types of applications. 3. Scalability. DynamoDB can automatically scale to handle millions of requests per second and trillions of rows. You can specify the desired throughput capacity, and DynamoDB will handle the partitioning and distribution of data behind the scenes. 4. High performance. DynamoDB provides low latency performance, with response times typically measured in single-digit milliseconds. It achieves this by replicating data across multiple data centers and using SSD storage to minimize read and write latencies. 5. Consistency models. DynamoDB offers two consistency models for reads, eventual consistency and strong consistency. Eventual consistency provides the fastest read performance, while strong consistency ensures the most up-to-date data at the expense of slightly higher latency. 6. Data replication and durability. DynamoDB automatically replicates data across multiple availability zones within a region to provide high availability and durability. It also performs continuous backups and allows point-in-time recovery. 7. Built-in security. DynamoDB integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, for fine-grained access control. You can define granular permissions to control who can access and modify data in DynamoDB. 8. Integrated with AWS ecosystem. DynamoDB seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, such as AWS Lambda, Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon EMR, allowing you to build scalable and robust applications. Amazon DynamoDB offers several advantages, which contribute to its popularity among developers and businesses. Here are some key advantages of using DynamoDB. 1. Fully managed service. DynamoDB is a fully managed database service provided by AWS. AWS handles all the administrative tasks, including hardware provisioning, setup, configuration, patching, and backups. This allows developers to focus on building applications rather than managing infrastructure. 2. Scalability and performance. DynamoDB is designed to provide seamless scalability and high performance. It can automatically scale to handle any amount of traffic or data without impacting performance. As your application grows, you can increase or decrease the throughput capacity to meet the demand without any downtime. 3. Low latency. DynamoDB offers low latency performance, with single-digit millisecond response times. This is crucial for applications that require fast data access and real-time responsiveness. The architecture of DynamoDB, including data replication across multiple availability zones, helps minimize latency. 4. High availability and durability. DynamoDB replicates data across multiple availability zones within a region, ensuring high availability and durability. It automatically handles failover and data replication, providing built-in fault tolerance. Your data is stored durably and protected against hardware failures and other potential issues. 5. Flexible data model. DynamoDB provides a flexible schema and supports both key-value and document data models. It allows you to store and retrieve semi-structured and unstructured data, making it versatile for different types of applications. You can add or modify attributes without modifying the entire table schema. 6. Security and compliance. DynamoDB integrates with AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, for fine-grained access control. You can define permissions and roles to control who can access and modify your data. DynamoDB is also compliant with various industry standards and regulations, including GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. 7. Pay-per-use pricing. DynamoDB offers a pricing model based on the provision throughput capacity and storage consumed. You only pay for the resources you provision and the data you store, without any upfront costs or long-term commitments. This allows you to optimize costs and scale efficiently as your application evolves. 8. Seamless integration with AWS services. DynamoDB seamlessly integrates with other AWS services, enabling you to build end-to-end solutions. It can be easily combined with services like AWS Lambda, Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, and Amazon EMR to create powerful and scalable applications. Amazon DynamoDB is a versatile database service that can be used for a wide range of use cases. Here are some common use cases where DynamoDB is particularly well suited. 1. Web and mobile applications. DynamoDB is often used as a backend database for web and mobile applications. Its ability to scale seamlessly and handle high traffic loads makes it ideal for applications that require fast and responsive data access. It can power various features like user profiles, session management, content management, and more. 2. Gaming. DynamoDB is widely used in the gaming industry to handle real-time player data, leaderboards, game state storage, and matchmaking systems. It provides low latency performance and can handle millions of requests per second, making it suitable for multiplayer games and real-time interactions. 3. Internet of Things, IoT. DynamoDB is a popular choice for IoT applications where large volumes of sensor data need to be ingested, processed, and queried in real time. It can handle high write throughput and provides fast access to IoT device telemetry, enabling real-time monitoring, analytics, and control. 4. Ad tech. In the advertising technology space, DynamoDB is used to store and serve ad-related data, such as user profiles, targeting criteria, ad campaign metadata, and real-time bidding information. Its scalability, low latency, and ability to handle high volumes of requests make it well suited for ad tech platforms. 5. Real-time analytics. DynamoDB can be used as a data store for real-time analytics applications. It allows you to ingest, store, and query large volumes of streaming data, enabling real-time data analysis, event processing, and anomaly detection. DynamoDB integrates well with other AWS services like AWS Lambda and Amazon Kinesis for building end-to-end analytics pipelines. 6. Content management systems. DynamoDB can be used as a backend for content management systems, CMS, and content-heavy applications. It can store metadata, user-generated content, and other related information, providing fast and scalable access to content. Dynamode's flexible schema allows for easy adaptation to changing content structures. 7. Session management and caching. Dynamode's fast response times and scalable nature make it suitable for session management and caching scenarios. It can store and retrieve user session data, allowing applications to maintain user context across requests. Dynamode's ability to handle high read and write throughput makes it effective for caching frequently accessed data. 8. Time series data. DynamoDB can efficiently store and query time series data, such as sensor readings, stock prices, or server logs. Its ability to handle high write throughput and its partitioning capabilities make it well suited for storing and analyzing time series data at scale. These are just a few examples of the many use cases where DynamoDB shines. Its flexible, scalable, and highly available nature makes it a versatile choice for building a wide range of applications across industries. Thank you. Please subscribe for more topics.